Hello my friends. So today I am going to do something special. I have bought these watercolor 20 sheets, and currently I am going through one of the hardest periods of my life, and I wanted to find some support in the art. So basically I'm a super starter, and I'm just getting inspired by some Skillshare classes and Pinterest and so on. So today I actually got enrolled into a business program that I really like, and I am super hoping that everything will happen for me. And since it's been a bit difficult these days for me, I just wanted to work a lot and to take some relaxation moments for myself with the art, and to have self-support. I have this idea of this girl walking along the road, and over here I would like to draw some maybe bricks kind of, or maybe some road that is chipped and broken, and I would like to make that in colors over here and over here, since currently this is what I am having, super emotional period of life. And later I would like to make it lighter or even yellow like Dorothy. So let's dive in, and please don't laugh at the drawing I'm going to get, because I'm super bad at this drawing. I'm just learning. The picture is almost over. As you can see, I have used different colors, like, as I've told you, this actually shows the road, the path that I am taking right now. And over here you can see that some violet, pink, or however you call it, color interrupts in. So I am trying to be stable, and this is the feeling of the road being opened, the being crushed, and the situation is being unstable for me. So over here, this is actually the combination of colors. This purple color is my favorite color since I was a kid, and the green color, as I've told you, I have started the business course, which I really hope will give great results. So for me, this is the meaning of being true to myself through this color, like listening to myself of what I want and being successful at the same time. So I would like just to add the date over here and the quote that I was telling you at the beginning. By the way, the reason I decided to leave myself, my image, like not colored, is the symbol of me feeling blank, like feeling devastated. So without no color, it's like me without anything, just looking and hoping for the best to come and to achieve. Let me practice on something else. I think I might use this way. Maybe somewhere over here. So I'm using this color, purple. And this is the message for myself, since oftentimes listening to some other people criticizing us, we tend to believe their words, especially if those people are the close people to us. And I just want to remind myself that I do deserve some kind words, and this is the message to myself. I've added 2 over here. Talk to yourself like to someone you love, because when I talk to people who I care, I can be very kind, but sometimes I forget to do the same with myself. So over here I would like to write down the date. I guess I might use darker colors for that, like it's like 15. Oh. 9. So in my country we put the date first and the month later. And this one. So let me add a bit of color into that. 20. A bit darker. So that's it. And this is the final result of my drawing and my self message to myself, like talk to yourself like to someone you love. So this is my message to you guys as well. If you're struggling with something, if you have doubts in yourself, talk to yourself like to someone you love, because we're being very kind to others and sometimes we can be super harsh on ourselves. So thank you for watching, and take care of yourself.